Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha. O Allah, bless my ummah in its early hours. This is the hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He made dua, he made a supplication for those who wake up early and make the most of the early hours. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris. I'm the founder of the Productive Muslim Company and author of the book The Productive Muslim, where faith meets productivity. And I would like to invite you to a 90 minutes working session where we'll be working together to design your ideal morning routine and actually figure out how best to implement it, regardless whether you're at home or you're traveling, whether it's winter or summer or whatever comes your way, inshallah ta'ala. This 90 minutes workshop will be hands-on and practical. We'll start off the first 30 minutes, talk about the importance of designing an intentional morning routine, and then what are the ingredients you'll need to set up the intentional morning routine, and then we'll go straight into working on groups where you get into small groups with fellow participants and figure out what's your ideal morning routine, what are the challenges will get in the way of the ideal morning routine, how to overcome those challenges. And by the end of the workshop, you will have a blueprint of a morning routine that can work for you, that you can start implementing the next morning, inshallah ta'ala. If you've been struggling with having a consistent morning routine, or you've been struggling to figure out how best to optimize your morning routine, this workshop is for you. So looking forward to having you, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.